Good morning guys. So andito po ako ngayon sa Bataan. So mag-explore po tayo dito. Yung last time ko po dito was 2009. So ngayon lang po ulit tayo nakabalik. So naimbitahan po tayo sa Playa Caleta Resort para po doon sa surfing contest nila. So manonood po tayo. At the same time mag-explore na rin tayo dito while we are in Bataan. So sa likod po natin ay may alon. I think it's a beach break, and then on the surrounding area ay mukhang may mga point break. So I'm really excited to explore here in Bataan. Alright, let's go guys. Alright guys, so I made it to Playa La Caleta. Alright, ito yung lugar. Ganda. Good morning guys. So andito na po tayo sa Playa La Caleta dito sa Bataan. So dumating tayo kahapon. So before coming here ay naglaro muna tayo dun sa Bagak, dun sa bayan. At yun, nag-enjoy na rin tayo kahit papaano. Medyo maganda rin naman yung alon. It was around the west to shoulder high. Pero saglit lang yung station natin kasi we have to go here para maka-check din dito sa Playa La Caleta. Alright guys, with me is Migs Camacho, who is the owner of Playa La Caleta here in Bataan. So Sir Migs, tell us more about Playa Caleta.
Okay. Yeah, yung Playa La Caleta, nandito kami sa Morong, Bataan. We are in Central Luzon, of course. We're about 3 hours away from Manila. And pinopromote natin dito yung mga nature-driven sports, no? Katulad ng surfing, skimboarding, windsurfing, sailing, and beach activities na maganda para sa kalikasan. So, ngayon, ginawa natin yung 3rd PLC Skim and Surf Cup. Actually, we've been trying to hold this every year. Unfortunately, we had the pandemic, so hindi namin siya nabuksan ng 2 years. Pero we're back. And dito kasi sa atin, natatanggap natin yung South Swell. And we're one whole cove, no? So very protected tayo dito, very safe. Gusto namin kasi makilala yung Bataan din parang as a surf spot in Luzon, no? A lot of people don't know na pwede palang mag-surfing dito sa Bataan. So itong event natin, it's meant to create awareness na dito pwedeng mag-enjoy at can get epic waves din.
2023.
Senoritas, that's the way that we roll. Every time we pack up the car and head down for Mexico. We don't get too far, get down to Bubar and no Malacon. We don't get suffered, she might have not heard us. We ain't got no use for phones. I get to drinking, I start to thinking about the girl that I met. I don't think there will ever be a day where I properly forget. She's on the playa, wondering why, yeah, she never came back to the States. I wonder now, cause it seems to be my cruel Mexico fate. Cause I met her down in Mexico. Hey, 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 but she ain't the only reason I always love to go. Yeah, I met her down in Mexico. Hey, hey, so I met her right back to Puerto Peñasco. Senoritas, that's the way that I roll. Yeah, every time I pack up my CRV down from Mexico. We don't get too far, get down to Bubar and no Malacon. I don't get so much, you might have not heard us. We ain't got
Hey guys, good morning. So andito pa rin tayo sa Bataan, dito sa Playa La Caleta. So nagpunta tayo dito for the surf contest, which was very successful. Although pangit yung panahon, it has been raining hard for the past few days. Pero may alon, yun ang importante. Kahit maulan, tuloy pa rin yung event. At saka yun, naging successful nga. So congratulations dun sa nanalo, at syempre dun na rin sa organizers for a job well done. So today ay bahagyang napakita na yung araw, so hindi na siya gaano kaulan, at ang importante ay lumaki yung alon. That's the way that we roll. Every time we pack up the car and head down for Mexico. We don't get too far, get down to Bubar and no Malacon. We don't get suffered, she might have not heard us. We ain't got no use for phones. I get to drinking, I start to thinking about the girl that I met. I don't think there will ever be a day where I properly forget. She's on the playa, wondering why, yeah, she never came back to the States. I wonder
now, cause it seems to be my cruel Mexico fate. Cause I'm headed down in Mexico. But she ain't the only reason I always love to go. Yeah, I'm headed down in Mexico. So I'm headed right back to Puerto Peñasco. Arriba!
Alright guys, so it was a fun session. So nakaserve tayo ng kaliwa dito sa Playa La Caleta. So kasama ko yung mga taga Liwa Zambales. So we had fun. Alright, so mag-impake na ako and then I'll head back to Manila. So maraming salamat kay Sir Mig Camacho, yung may-ari ng Playa La Caleta, at siyempre sa kanyang mga staff sa pag-accommodate sa akin at saka sa mga surfers na sumali. The event was a big success. Hopefully meron pa next year. Alright guys, see you in my next vlog.
We don't get too far, get down the bull bar and on my lacon. I don't get so much, you might have not heard
Thank you.